Welcome to your Esco CO₂ Incubator. Let's get ready to set up your unit. First, make sure the unit is installed in a proper location. Provide adequate ventilation around your unit to allow proper heat and gas dissipation. Do not place the unit near flammable materials or devices that produce excess heat to avoid temperature fluctuation. Never place the unit directly on the floor to avoid contaminants from entering the chamber. Follow the recommended temperature and humidity indicated in the user manual for proper functioning of the equipment. Ensure that the unit is connected to the correct power source to avoid electrical hazards. Next, connect the unit to CO₂ gas supply. Don't forget to install a 2-stage gas pressure regulator on the unit's gas tank to prevent overpressurization of gas supply into the CO₂ incubator. Tips on how to open and close the door. Always open and close the outer door gently. Fold your palm, place your 4 fingers on the outer door, and push using your thumb. Do not slam when closing the door. Next, ensure proper water pan installation and water filling. Only fill the water pan with sterile, distilled water to prevent buildup, contamination, and damage to the components. Fill the water pan with not more than 800 milliliter, or as indicated by the engraving inside the pan. For 50-liter models, fill only with 400 milliliter. Slide the water pan completely to the back until you hear a click without spilling the water. Finally, turn on the unit. Once everything is in place, turn on the incubator using the power switch. The display will run a memory check, then prompt you to enter the set point, date and time, and device information. Allow the incubator to stabilize for about 3 hours before starting your experiments. Now your CO₂ incubator is ready to use.